Hi friends, it's time for small group and today we are going to be comparing different sizes. We're going to compare big, medium, and small or large. Big and large can both be used. Big or large, medium, and small. Big, medium, small. Okay? Now we're going to play the game. This word says small, so Miss Charles is going to point to the small. Is this small? No, this is large. This is medium. This is small. Let's see if we are right. We are. Okay. We are going to touch the medium. Medium begins with the letter M. See it up here? M, medium. So this is large. This is medium. So I'm going to choose this one. Let's see. We are correct. All right. This says big. Big begins with the letter B. Big. This is the big one. Let's see if we're right. All right. It says to touch the small. Can you point to small? Which one is small? Yes, you're right. This is small. It says, what's this word? Medium. So let's touch the medium one. Can you touch medium? Very good. This is medium. Big. Big begins with the letter B. We know that. So let's touch the big penguin. Very good. Big. Okay, this one says to touch the small penguin. So I'm going to touch small. Can you touch small? Let's touch it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. This one says medium. Which one is medium? Is this medium? No, that's big. Is this medium? No, that's what? Small. Is this medium? Yes. Let's touch medium. Good. Big. Is this one big? It's bigger than this because this is small, but this is medium and this is the biggest one. So we're going to choose this one, big. And we're done with our activity, friends. So I want you to look around your house and see if you can find 3 things that are small, medium, and big, or small, medium, and large. Can you find 3 things and compare them? All right, if you can, take a picture of what you find and send it to me, okay? All right, friends, I'll see you next time. Bye.